Hello and welcome to this Transload tutorial video. Today I will demonstrate how to build Pallet with sorting by Carton. This video is for Transload mode number 4, which is Build Pallet with sorting by Carton. Here are the basic settings for this Transload. The destination must be maintained in the system, and all the packages must also include the destination. For this mode, you can build a pallet and print a label based on the destination. Once the order comes in from the EDI system, it will create the loads for each destination. Here is an example. There are 2 destinations, Arizona and Texas. Arizona has 2 packages, and Texas has 3 packages. When the courier arrives, you can do a check-in. Click on Live Delivery. Add the receipt. Select the assignee and the loading dock. Once complete, click Check-in and the system will create an entry number. On the app, you will receive a Transload Receive task. Click Start Receive Task, scan the window checking number, and select the loading dock. The first thing you do is scan the location. This is only for staging. Since this Transload has 2 destinations, you will handle Arizona first. For batch scan, you will build a new pallet. Single scan is for transloading full pallets. For batch scan, you need to print the new pallet first, then scan the packages for the Arizona destination. In this case, Arizona has 2 packages. If you tap on Review on the pallet summary, you will see that this pallet includes 2 packages. Once you are done, you can move on to the next destination and follow the same process. Scan the pallet and the packages. For this Transload, there are 5 packages received. Once your tasks are done, close the task. If you refresh the original RN number, it will show that 5 packages have been received. When the courier comes to pick up the load, you can use the load number to do the check-in. If one truck is picking up 1 load per destination, you have to do a check-in for each load. If one truck is picking up 2 destinations, then you only need to do 1 check-in. In this case, I am doing 2 loads in 1 truck. Click Live Load. Add the second load and follow the same process. Select the assignee and the loading dock. On the app, you will receive a Transload load task. Start the load task, and there will be 2 stops, Arizona and Texas. Handle Arizona first by scanning the pallet. From the receiving area, take a photo if needed. You can see that this pallet contains 2 packages. Click Complete Load, and then load for the second stop, Texas. Follow the same process. Scan the pallet. If you need to unload the pallet, click on Unload and scan the pallet. The system will unload the pallet. Take a photo if needed, enter the seal number, and click Complete Load. If you need to make any adjustments, you can always go back, reopen the load, and make adjustments. If you are done, exit, close the task, and confirm. The transload is now complete. When you go back to the original RN number and refresh it, you will see that all 5 packages have been shipped. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please explore our extensive library of tutorial content.